Hey everyone, this is Tawny. I'm here to show you guys my flyer and to analyze it. And I have decided to go with promoting the major I am a part of, which is General Studies. And on this flyer, I tried to use colorful font to draw the readers in. And then I also included some bullet points for it to be easier to read. And our mascot today is the General Insurance General down here at the bottom. So what this says, I'll go ahead and read it aloud and explain why I chose these things. So I went ahead and titled it General Studies up at the top here. And then went a font size smaller. And here it says, not sure of what to do has got you feeling blue. I went ahead and did that in blue. And down below I put, then General Studies is for you. I went ahead and I matched the coloring here so it's more appealing and connects everything. So on this bullet point, here is where it starts to focus on the target audience. The target audience is for those students who are just coming into college, whether it's their first time or they're coming back, and it is to draw them in if they are unsure of what they want to do. And this first bullet point here states that General Studies allows you to take transferable classes and get the basic knowledge for college. Decided to make it warm and inviting with rhymes and easy to understand. And that is basically what General Studies is for. You take the basic college classes if you're not sure of what you want to do. And then the next step below is, did we say transferable? Yes. Continue your education, because that's what college is main promotion is to continue education. And then after that it says when you're ready for what you want to do, and transfer. We want to encourage students that it's okay to not be sure of what you want to do quite yet, but you do still need to get the basics down, so that way you can move on to the next step down here, which is, until then, get your associate degree with General Studies. So that way people are still feeling comfortable that they will be able to succeed and they can still get a degree by just going through the basics until they do have an idea of what they want to do. And then down here I used the traditional general insurance quote, not the whole thing, but part of it. Go to the general and save some time. And then he's pointing at everyone, kind of like the Uncle Sam posters. So I put, we want you. Because you want the college to feel inviting for the students. So, I mean, that's basically all I could think of saying for General Studies is, you want to just invite in people that aren't sure of what they want to do, but they are sure that they want to continue their education, and they can at least get this far by getting a degree, an associate degree with General Studies. And just on a side note, if I were to be in public, say at one of the school welcoming nights, and I was standing at a table and I was presenting this as a giant poster, if a student came up to me and was asking questions on how this worked out so well for people, I would use myself as an example. Right now I'm personally taking General Studies. Unfortunately, due to money and time, I can only take a couple classes at a time, but since I have an idea of what I want to do, but there's no actual major for what I want to do, after seeing one of the advisors, she has helped me figure out to take General Studies, and then for all of my electives, what I want to do is I want to go into a criminal justice-like field for animal justice. And what she was encouraging me to do was to take general studies and then plug in all of the primary criminal justice courses into those electives. So that way I am showing a major in general studies, so I'm still getting my associate's degree in the basics for college, but I'm showing an interest, or a minor, if you will, in criminal justice. And then afterwards, my plan is to then go on and get some basic training so I can be licensed as a handler, and then go on to find where I can be employed. I still don't know yet if what I'm going for requires uh, more more degrees, furthering education after this, but I can at least start with this because I've always wanted to get a degree behind my name and continue my education. So I'm going to at least start with this, and then when I go to apply for jobs, at least see what else they require and then go from there. But I haven't gotten that far yet because it does involve moving away to a larger city where this is a more prominent um, job. So that's where I'm at with that, and I would definitely use at least my experience to encourage students to feel comfortable with going with general studies. So hopefully this flyer is appealing to you all, and hopefully it would draw you guys in since you all are college students as well. So say if you were in their position, hopefully this would help answer your questions and free your anxiety. And yeah, hopefully this is good. If you guys have any comments or anything, I guess I'll find out what you have to say whenever we're commenting on each other's videos. Sorry for all of the rambling and stuttering, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Let me find out how to stop this here. It's not what I want.